Before we begin, what within you is ready to soften, not only in the present moment, but across the deeper layers of your experience where memory, feeling, and time gently meet. Place 1 to 2 drops of Helichrysum oil onto a tissue. Sit comfortably, allowing your body to be fully supported. Bring the scent softly toward you. Inhale slowly and notice the aroma as it begins to reveal itself. Warm, herbaceous, softly honeyed, with an earthy depth that feels ancient. A presence that is both grounding and quietly expansive. Breathing in slowly and breathing out with ease. Allow yourself to arrive not only in this moment, but within yourself. Let the shoulders soften, the jaw release, the breath settle. There is nothing to force, nothing to resolve, just being here, just allowing what is present to be held gently, soft, steady, and deeply present. Helichrysum carries a quiet, profound depth. A presence often associated with restoration and gentle repair. It seems to touch something beyond the surface, reaching into subtle layers of experience where impressions may still be held, inviting a softening not by pushing, but by allowing, a reminder that within the human experience there is an innate movement toward balance and integration. Notice the scent as it moves with your breath, warm, enveloping, and quietly anchoring. As you inhale, there is depth, and as you exhale, a gentle unwinding begins. Let the breath move naturally, creating space within. A soft awareness of what is ready to ease. Grounded, spacious, and still. Imagine a soft golden light emerging around you. Not bright, not overwhelming, but steady, warm, and timeless. This light moves gently, as if guided by an inner intelligence, reaching places within you that may have felt distant or quietly held. There is no need to name these places, only to allow the presence of this light, as it surrounds, softens, and restores, like a gentle echo, moving through layers of experience, touching what is ready in its own time. With each inhale, the scent of Helichrysum becomes this golden presence, flowing inward, supporting a sense of gentle integration, softening areas of tension within body and awareness, allowing what has been held to be met with quiet compassion. A subtle shift begins, not forced, but emerging naturally. A sense of inner steadiness quietly forming. Notice what is present within you now. A deeper stillness, a grounded presence. as if something within has been acknowledged, not changed, not fixed, but gently held with warmth, awareness, and quiet acceptance. Allow the sense of presence to expand, softly moving through your entire being. May I allow what is within me to be met with gentleness. May I rest within my own awareness. May I trust the natural unfolding of integration. With body supported and at ease, with breath slow and steady, with mind quiet and aware. The scent of Helichrysum becomes your anchor. Each time you return to this aroma, you reconnect with presence, softness, and inner steadiness. You may use this oil during moments of emotional reflection, when seeking grounding, or when inviting a sense of gentle restoration into your awareness. Notice your breath again, the space around you, and the quiet sense of presence within. Gently returning, carrying this awareness with you.